There was a guy who asked me, well, he commented on one of my videos wondering how to import custom sounds, so in case you still don't know or if anyone else needs help with it, all you gotta do is get Audacity. It's probably the best thing to use. Then, just grab the audio file or whatever that you want to put in there. Click File, Export Audio, Export to Computer. You can rename it to whatever. Make sure it's on stereo and 44100 HZ. And that's pretty much all I have to do. Some people edit the metadata, but I usually just skip that. Or Filmmaker, press right click it, go to Manage, Browse Local Files, press Game, User Mod, Sound, and SFM Scratch or whatever's there. And then just go here, Downloads, bring it here, put it in. Once you're in your project, you can just choose dialogue, music, or effects. Doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to use music because, yeah. Add clip to track, and it should be here, so, yep. Not sure why it's fast, but whatever. And yeah.